I'm coming home.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Ormsby Farm. My name is Casey. So today we are going to be pulling up the sweet potatoes to see if we got a harvest, and also doing a couple odds and ends in the fall garden. And I'm going to show you around, show you what we got going in the greenhouse. So it's going to be a busy day, so let's go. Alrighty y'all, so we are down in what I call my little canning area, my little pantry, which is in the crawl space of my mom's house, that you saw I redid in a couple videos ago. And what I'm grabbing today is we got these really cool bushel barrel things. Producer Michelle, shout out to producer Michelle, found these for us. And I'm really excited because we're going to use them today to hopefully get a sweet potato harvest. Now, if you remember from our potato harvest,
the big thing is what we do wrong. What do you want me to do with these?
well, friends and followers, we got a potato.
1.5. There's a little tiny one on top of it.
Wouldn't have needed one of these. So fingers crossed. We've done a lot of research, and hopefully we've done the right thing with trimming and all that kind of stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the vines. Then I'm going to dig 18 inches from where I think the plant is planted. And I'm going to see if we have any sweet potatoes. Me and Desta are outside today. Mom's running errands because today or tomorrow is Labor Day, so we're getting ready to have, you know, Chris and Tara and everybody over. You'll see that in another video. So I am left to myself to do the sweet potatoes today. So here we go. And no ma'am, Des. Girl, I didn't say you can come down here. Set it down. Dad's recording. Alrighty, so y'all, I'm kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie. We planted 3 plants this year just to try it out, but they got super big. So I'm hoping that the sweet potatoes got super big underneath. So let's go ahead and go to one of them, and I'll show you where I cut it off right where the plant meted the ground. I can't speak English, but we're gonna see if there's any sweet potatoes underneath. Alrighty, so right here, you can see, is where the plant was planted. So what I'm gonna do, just in case we have some ones closer to the pumpkins, which we are gonna move one of the pumpkin, the one that looks the saddest today, down the line. But I'm gonna get as far away from it as I can, dig up and see if we got any sweet potatoes. Alrighty y'all, so Ormsby Farm, 0 root vegetables, 2. I'm guessing where we had them, it was too condensed of soil or what, but we did not get 1 sweet potato, just like the potatoes. And as you saw, the vines and stuff was big, and we've trimmed them like 3 or 4 times. So, what we're going to have to do for the winter is we're going to have to support a local farm near us, and we are going to get potatoes and sweet potatoes locally sourced and grown from a farmer here, or I may do as your standard. You know, everybody talks about it, so I probably will do Azure Standard and I will make a video on that. So on to the other chores. Well, as you saw, I moved the okra plants to where the squash was that didn't do anything. Because our next batch of cucumbers are getting big and I want them to be able to spread out and do well. So hopefully I transplanted the okra okay, and they look a little wimpy now, just like the pumpkin over there that I'm going to show you does. But I'm going to give them a good drink of fish emulsion compost tea, and we're just going to pray for the best. So now let me walk you around. I'm going to turn you around and kind of show you how the plants are doing and what they're looking like. We wish we had more sweet potato views for you, but we don't. So, alrighty, let me show you what I got going on. So these are our tomatoes, and in another video, you're going to see why our tomato plants look so sad, because we got attacked by armyworms. They need to be strung up a little bit more, but they're producing and still looking good. This is our pepper plant. It is doing really well. One of our jalapenos. And this bad boy right here is our butternut squash, next to our spaghetti squash that has been eaten by something. What is going on? First time homesteaders, what's going on? The okra we just transplanted, it's super tall, still has buds. So I'm gonna give it a good drink. Our next batch of cucumbers looking good. And let me tell you, this next batch of stuff, I nearly lost hope, except for this one. I'm still lost hope for this one, so we're gonna pull her up. They actually started getting thick. This is bell peppers. This is poblano peppers. And this is jalapeno peppers. All transplanted from the greenhouse when we had stuff in the greenhouse, and there's even one little one on there. There's a lot over there on that one. This is our little patch of pumpkins. We had 2 plants. I moved them separated apart. This one looks real sad, but I gave it a good compost tea drink. And definitely follow us on Instagram to see day by day what the plants are doing and stuff. That's where we post pictures and stuff. Dash, you want to come to the greenhouse? Come on. My little baby. So, if you remember in another video, I posted about us trying seeds again of lettuce. So, they're looking somewhat decent. The cabbage was getting kind of leggy, so I moved it out. And I went ahead and decided just to move the lettuce seeds and the eggplant seeds and that kind of stuff into the greenhouse as well. And they're looking okay, so we'll see. Again, y'all, this is our first time doing it. This is our first time trying it out, learning tips and tricks. If you have good tips and tricks, leave them in the comment section below or DM us on Instagram. But yeah, let's go inside the greenhouse. So the eggplants are doing good. Lettuce ones over there are May. Some of them are doing good and some of them ain't. Some just the strongest ones will survive. And then our cabbages. So what's going really well in here is weeds. That's what's doing the best. Alrighty, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video for our fall garden. If you're enjoying these videos from our channel, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know anytime new content drops to our channel. Follow us on social media at Instagram and Facebook at Ormsby Farm. We post there every single day. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we post here. So we'll see you on the next video, y'all. Be blessed.
I'm coming home.